In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Constant Contact Beginner. To begin, log into your Constant Contact account and look at the left navigation menu. Find Channels, then choose Emails. This is the main area where you will create and manage email campaigns, so it is a good place to return to whenever you need to start a new message or review one you have already built. Next, start your campaign by clicking the plus Create option, or the button that says Create an Email. This opens the email creation flow and moves you into the part where you choose a design. Now you will select your template from the library. Templates are pre-built layouts that help you save time and keep your email looking clean and professional. Browse through the options and pick one that matches your goal, like an announcement, newsletter, or promotion. When you find a template you like, hover your mouse over it and click Select. After you select a template, you will enter the email editor. The editor uses a drag-and-drop interface, which means you build your email by placing content blocks into the layout. On the left-hand toolbar, you will see different elements you can add, such as images, text, buttons, or videos. Drag the block you want from the toolbar and drop it into the area of the email where you want it to appear. Then click the block to edit its content. Take your time here and keep your message easy to scan by using short paragraphs and clear calls to action. To match your branding, open the Design tab. This is where you can adjust global settings like colors, fonts, and background graphics. Making these choices consistent across the whole email helps it look polished and recognizable. When your layout and styling look right, click Continue. This takes you to the final setup screen, where you configure settings and prepare to send. Now choose the list or segment you want to send the email to. Make sure you pick the audience that matches the message, since this determines who will receive it. Then add your subject line. Keep it clear and specific, because it is the first thing people will see in their inbox. When everything is ready, click Send. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.